And they kept jerking me around and telling me that I was not a good candidate because I didn't want dentures. And I was like, dude, I got pride. I'm not gonna put my teeth on the counter and go to bed. I was in pain and I was infected. I couldn't put my mask on my face so I could sleep at night because of sleep apnea. It just hurt. I wanted a guy that was gonna fix me. And I got this list, 10 best, oral surgeons, Greenville. And I went down the list and no one answered the call. I smiled and I said, yeah, what? I expect big things. And I called and they answered the phone. And it was on a Thursday. And I said, look, I know it's short, time. I'm in pain. I need relief. Can you see me today or tomorrow? I need to sleep. And I called Dr. Bean's office back and I said, you know what? I'll take Monday. And they said, well, Monday's a holiday. We can do Tuesday. I'll see you first thing in the morning. I was desperate and I risked everything and I took Tylenol and I took, some other stuff that was in the cabinet. And we got to Tuesday. I went in to see them. I said, I need this done, I don't care. And and it came down to, the reality that, well, you just buck up and just get it done. I know everywhere I go, I take my bank account with me. And I don't care. And I don't owe nothing to nobody, except a smile to Dr. Bean. Well, I get past this next few days and weeks or whatever, months, and I'm looking forward to a good T-bone steak come Christmas.